Let's review the Project Search supply list. This is a list of items that you will need to have with you while at Project Search. A 2-inch 3-ring binder, tab dividers, enough for 8 sections, a folder, a 1-subject notebook, composition book, or lined paper, a flash drive, lanyard, pens, pencils, markers or colored pencils, scissors, glue stick, a basic calculator, or if you're comfortable using a calculator on a smartphone, earbuds or headphones, a highlighter, a pencil pouch or case, or something that you can keep your items in, and lastly, cleaning wipes, disinfecting spray, or hand sanitizer.